So, as promised, I will show you how to resize a horizontal video to a vertical for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Reels. This is part 2 of the last video I posted, which is make money online with MCQ or multiple choice questions in under 10 minutes. If you haven't seen the first video, the link is in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. First, you need to open the one that you bulk created on Canva, and then click on Magic Switch at the top, type Shorts on the search box, tick the box for YouTube Shorts, then continue. You will then have the option to copy and resize or just resize. Choose copy and resize so you will still be able to keep the original horizontal project for future use. Canva will then open the resized video on a new tab with all 30 quizzes. From here, all you need to do is make adjustments to the sizes of the elements and their positioning. Do the same thing to the rest of the videos, or you can also do the bulk create, just like what we did on the first video. The same process applies, the only difference is the size of the video. Each question lasts for 15 seconds, which means you can have 3 to 4 questions for each short, and you can make 7-10 shorts out of these 30 questions. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to tap that like button and subscribe for more.